Hello students, welcome to Knowledge Point. Once again, just I am coming with some of the very important questions of class 10th from the chapter Linear Equations in Two Variables, Word Problems. The question is, a two digits number is such that the product of its digits is 35. If 18 is added to the number, the digits interchange their places. Find the number. So, let the two digits, let units digit by and tens digit bx, then required number 10x plus y. On interchanging the digits, new number is equal to 10y plus x. According to question, product of the digits 35. Product of the digits 35. 18 is added to the number. 10x plus y added to the number 18, 10y plus x obtained. Here 10x minus x plus y minus 10y minus 18, 9x minus 9y minus 18, x minus y 9 common minus 18, 9 2 ja, x minus y minus 2. We have two values x, y and x minus y. From these two we have to find x plus y. We know that x plus y whole square, x minus y whole square plus 4xy, x plus y whole square, x minus y, that means minus 2 whole square, plus 4 into xy 35, x plus y equal to 4 plus 140, x plus y equal to 144. So x plus y equal to root 144. X plus y equal to 12. Now you see the two simplest, x plus y and x minus y, you see, and we have adding equation 2 and 3, x minus y equal to minus 2, x plus y equal to 12, 2x 10, x equal to 5, 10 by 2. Putting the value of x in equation first, that means x into y, that means 5 into y, 35. So y equal to 35 by 5 equal to 7. Required number 10x plus y, that means 57. So students, question number 1 completed. Students, now question number 2. A 2-digit number is 4 times the sum of its digits and twice the product of its digits. Find the number. So let unit digit and tens digit of a 2-digit number be y and x. Then required number ten x plus y. Okay. Now product of, you see, 2-digit number is twice the product of its digits. That means 10x plus y equal to 2xy. This is one of the, okay, and 4 times the sum of its digits. So first of all, it is the second case, 10x plus y equal to 4 times x plus y. 10x plus y is equal to 4x plus 4y. 10x plus y minus 4x minus 4y 0. 6x minus 3y 0. On dividing both side by 3, 2x minus y equals to 0. Okay, you see here it is one of the equation, and the second one, product. Again 10x plus y is equal to 2xy. As you see 2x minus y, so you can here use substituting method. Okay, this is equation second. Solving equation first. Okay, y equal to 2x. So you put in equation second, substituting, not putting, substituting y equal to 2x in equation 2. So we have 10x plus 2x equal to 2x. Okay, 10 to 12x equal to 2 to ja 4x into x. Here cancel. Okay, or this may be in this type, 10 to 12x minus 4x square is equal to 0. 4x x 3x minus 0, 4x 3 minus x equal to 0. 4x equal to 0, that means x equal to 0. This is invalid. And 3 minus x equal to 0, so x equal to 3. So here putting the value of x in equation first, 2 into 3 minus y equal to 0, 6 minus y equal to 0, minus y minus 6, y equal to 6. Required number 10x plus y, 10 into 3 plus 6, 36. So students, just I have completed the question number 2. Students, now question number 3 कहता है the sum of numerator and denominator of a fraction is 3 less than twice the denominator if each of the numerator and denominator is decreased by 1. The fraction becomes 1 by 2. Find the fraction. So let numerator and denominator of a fraction be x and y. Then required fraction x by y according to question. Sum of numerator and denominator is, that means x plus y is 3 less than twice the denominator. 3 less than twice the denominator. X plus y minus 2y minus 3. X minus y minus 3. Again, if each of the numerator and denominator is decreased by, again as per question, if each numerator is decreased, denominator is decreased, fraction 1 by 2. 2x minus 2 equal to y minus 1. Here 2x minus y equal to 2 minus 1. 2x minus y equal to 1. The only subtraction is taking place to cancel the y. Coefficient same. So subtracting equation 2 from equation first. X minus y minus 3. Okay, from first, and 2x minus y equal to 1. Minus plus minus. You see, minus x minus 4, x equal to 4. Now putting the value of x in equation first. X means 4 minus y equal to minus 3. 4 and plus 3 equal to y. So 7 equal to y. Hence, a required fraction which should be x by y, that means 4 by 7, 4 upon 7. So students, solution of question number 3 completed. Students, now question number 4. A fraction becomes 1 by 3 if 2 is added to both of its numerator and denominator. If 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, then it becomes 2 by 5. Find the fraction. So first of all, let numerator and denominator of required fraction be x and y. Then required fraction x upon y. According to question first condition, 2 is added to both. It becomes 1 by 3. 3x plus 6 equal to y plus 2. 3x minus y equal to minus 6 plus 2. 3x minus y minus 4. Case second, if 3 is added to both, it becomes 2 by 5. 5x plus 15, 2y plus 6. 5x minus 2y minus 15 plus 6. So here 5x minus 2y, equation 2. You see, this is of equation first. कोएफिशिएंट 1 है, कोएफिशिएंट 2 है, मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे फर्स्ट को 2 से, मल्टीप्लाई इक्वेशन फर्स्ट बाय 2, ये 6x माइनस 2y माइनस 8 और दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. सब्ट्रैक्टिंग इक्वेशन 3 from equation 2, 5x minus 2y minus 9, 6x minus 2y minus 8 plus minus x minus 1 x1. इस वैल्यू को इक्वेशन 1 में रखेंगे, पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ x इन 1 है 3x, 3 इंटू 1 माइनस y माइनस 4 माइनस y माइनस 4 एंड 3 1 जा 3 माइनस 3 माइनस y इक्वल टू माइनस 7. सो y इक्वल्स टू 7. हेंस रिक्वायर्ड फ्रैक्शन that is x by y 1 by 7. So students, here question number 4 solution completed. Students, now question number 5. The sum of two numbers is 16. The sum of two numbers is 16. And the sum of their reciprocal is, reciprocal means x का 1 by x, y का 1 by y, 1 by 3. Find the numbers. Let the two numbers be, let the two numbers be x and y. Then x plus y has 16. Now equation it is 1. According to question, then according to question, again according to question, 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 3. Here x plus y equal to 1 by 3. X plus y means 16 by xy equal to 1 by 3, xy equal to 48. Now x minus y whole square equal to x plus y whole square minus 4xy. Here x plus y means 16 whole square minus 4 into xy यानी 48. सो x माइनस वाई होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 256 माइनस 4 8 जा 32 3 4 4 जा 16 3 192 x माइनस वाई होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 464. So x minus y root under 64, x minus y equal to 8. Now adding equation 1 and 2, adding equation 1 and 3, equation 1 and 3, x plus y 16, x minus y 8, 2x 24, x 12. Now putting the value of x in equation 2. Here xy 48, that means 12y equal to 48. So y equal to 48 by 12 equal to 4. Hence required numbers are 12 and 4. 12 and 4. So students, here 5 number completed. Students, question number 6 कहता है the difference of two numbers is 4. Difference of their reciprocal is 4 by 21. Find the numbers. Let two numbers be x and y such that x greater than y. Then here x minus y equal to 4 and difference of their reciprocal is. तो अगर ये ग्रेटर है तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल दैट मीन्स कि देखिए 1 बाय वाई माइनस 1 बाय एक्स इज इक्वल टू 4 बाई 21. वाई? सिंस एक्स ग्रेटर देन वाई, देयरफॉर 1 बाय वाई ग्रेटर देन 1 बाय एक्स. दैट्स वाई लिया 1 बाय वाई माइनस 1 बाय एक्स 4 बाई 21. यहाँ से आप x माइनस वाई बाय एक्स वाई 4 बाई 21. अब देखिए एक्स वाई, एक्स माइनस वाई 4 है, वैल्यू पुट करेंगे 4 बाई एक्स वाई 4 बाई 21. सो एक्स वाई आया 21. ये भी इक्वेशन 2 रख लीजिए. अब क्या है कि x माइनस वाई है और x y है, तो x प्लस वाई का होल स्क्वायर का फॉर्मूला x माइनस वाई होल स्क्वायर और प्लस 4xy. यहाँ से x प्लस वाई का वैल्यू डालेंगे, है ही नहीं, x माइनस वाई का वैल्यू 4 का स्क्वायर प्लस 4 इंटू 21 16 प्लस, तो ये कुल मिला के 100. तो x प्लस वाई हो जाएगा प्लस माइनस 10 रूट अंडर 100 प्लस माइनस 10 का होल स्क्वायर आप लिख सकते हो इसको. तो यहाँ से निकला x प्लस वाई, ये 10 और ये इक्वेशन 2 ले लीजिए 3 और x प्लस वाई माइनस 10. अब हमारे पास जो है फर्स्ट और थर्ड यूज करेंगे. केस 1, एडिंग इक्वेशन फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड. ओके, तो x माइनस वाई 4, x प्लस वाई 10, 2x 14, x 7 और ये वैल्यू पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ x इन इक्वेशन आप 2 में भी डाल सकते हो. इक्वेशन 2 तो हमें क्या मिलेगा 7 इंटू वाई इक्वल टू 21, तो y इक्वल टू 21/7, y इक्वल टू 3। और फिर हमारे पास जो केस सेकेंड आएगा, केस सेकेंड, जिसमें हम एडिंग करेंगे इक्वेशन 1 एंड 4 को, तो x माइनस वाई इक्वल टू कितना है 4, x प्लस वाई माइनस 10, तो 2x आया -6, x -6/2 -3, और ये वैल्यू पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ x इन इक्वेशन 2, तो देखिए x y 21 है, -3 इंटू वाई 21, तो y क्या आ गया 21/-3 -7। हेंस रिक्वायर्ड नंबर क्या क्या आएगा, आइदर 7 and 3 और -3 and -7. So students, here I have completed 6 questions in this part, very important questions regarding the number problems. Hope you will try to make you understand, and you will must see through the start till the end, so that you can get advantage. Thanks for watching my video.